Hi guys, this is Cora from Wellste. Let me introduce our classic project, aluminum flip lock telescoping tubes. The flip lock is the most stable locking type compared with other types. It can bear 30 kilograms load capacity weight, and its maximum extended length can reach more than 40 feet. So it is commonly applied for cleaning tools, fruit pickers, garden tools, triples, and so on. Besides strong load capacity, it has another advantage that it is easy to operate. When you use it, just open the plastic part, then pull the tube, lock it anywhere, so you can reach the length you need. Wellste has many standard sizes for flip lock telescopic tubes. The outer diameter ranges from 10 to 40 millimeters. We also support custom-made according to your needs. When you confirm the size and length, you can also choose different colors, assembled parts, thread, scale, seal screen, drill holes, and so on, to finish your products under one roof. Contact us now. We will give you a better solution with